sponsored by Physicians Hearing Center. Now, your first alert forecast with meteorologist Oscar Fan.
All right, let's show what's going on with the temperatures one more time. You see pretty much in the 60s. Warmer spot, actually, it's not 67 at Destin. Further north at Crestview, 69 degrees. Southeast temperatures just out of sight is the Dallas one in Texas at 43 behind the front. But everybody from Louisiana, Arkansas pretty much ahead of the front. Jackson, Mississippi at 69, New Orleans at 70, still in the cool side 50s further to the east of Dothan. All right, here's a broad view. Tornado watch has been in effect for almost about 5 or 6 hours, mainly from eastern Texas into most of Louisiana and southern Arkansas and extreme western Mississippi, but it hasn't developed, a little late developing. We'll show you that better on a national radar in a moment. Now you can see the cooler temperatures behind the front at Dallas at the 43, single digits at Minot, really cold in the central Rockies, but after all, we're still in winter. Southeast, pretty much protected briefly by high pressure, but that high pressure will shrink, but we'll stay in it a little bit, but not much, not enough to deflect some chilly air from Friday afternoon into Sunday morning, and then we'll start to warm up rapidly. Sun angle is getting a little bit higher and higher, and it gets a little bit stronger, allows that high pressure to build over southern Florida. Okay, as far as what we're looking at in the short term, not really any changes except when the arrival of the rain will be. Variably cloudy, warm and breezy today, turning windy tonight, cloudy, but don't expect the rain to get here now to about 5, 6 in the morning for Dothan and get out of here about 11 or 12. Later to the east, earlier to the west. Better rain amounts will be northwest and north of Dothan, lesser amounts to the south. Otherwise, maybe a thunderstorm, nothing severe in our area, and even less rain down or in the coast. Friday afternoon turning cooler, clearing late in the afternoon, evening. And temperatures would fall into the 50s during the afternoon. Saturday morning near freezing, we'll go 33, 34 for Dothan, sunny cool, upper 50s for highs. And then on Sunday we warm up to the mid, maybe upper 60s, still a slight breeze, but not bad. And a little bit of cloud cover on Monday, especially Tuesday and Wednesday. That front was stalled north of us, bring the clouds in, but now we've removed the rain from it. So we expect more or less mid 70s Monday and then near 80 for the rest of the week. Maybe the last weekend in February, there's an exception with that. Maybe a front gets close enough that cools us off, but no rain, but a lot of clouds. So we'll have to wait and see. But otherwise, except for next weekend, that Saturday and Sunday, which is the 22nd, 3rd, 25th, 26th, we should pretty much be in warm air, upper 70s, low 80s, all the way to about March 2nd or March 3rd. That's when the longer range forecast or medium range forecast kind of stop. But we are starting to see indications that that cold, chilly to cold March may have some holes in it. So we'll watch that over the next week as the models start to project into that. It still looks like a lot of cold air from much of the country. Maybe in the southeast we'll escape a good bit of that, but right now it looks like we will be chilly to cool with above average rainfall, and March is a weather wet month for us to begin with. All right, here's what's going on. Here's the strong thunderstorms with some heavy rain, hail, and gusty downdrafts. But down here, nothing really developing just yet, East Texas into Louisiana and Arkansas. That should develop later this morning, but it will weaken as it moves into western Alabama. If you drew a line from Huntsville down to Montgomery and over to just north of Mobile, west of that line, that's where the strong thunderstorms will be, but they'll be weakening. And then east of that line, probably not much of anything, just weakening thunderstorms. Don't expect the thunderstorms to even make it down here or the coast. Speaking of the coast, I have that live shot coming up a little bit over an hour. May have a nice morning this morning. We're currently still probably into tomorrow morning. Then we have a sunny weekend, but kind of on the chilly side Saturday. But the coast will share in the warm up along with us as we get into next week. 79. And for a high, got 77 yesterday. We could hit 80. And there's your extended forecast. A couple of cool afternoons Friday and Saturday. Then we warm back up and then get ready for a nice warm.